Right now, billions of gallons of water are flowing directly beneath your feet, trapped under the suffocating concrete of New York City. These are ancient arteries, streams that once shaped this island, buried, silenced, and forgotten. Tonight, we peel back the pavement to see if nature can still breathe. If you listen closely in certain neighborhoods, you can hear them: Minetta Brook, Tibbetts Stream, Harlem Creek. They're still here, muffled, redirected, imprisoned in pipes. Before skyscrapers, this island was a web of wetlands and freshwater streams. Water wasn't an obstacle, it was infrastructure. When rain falls today, the city floods not because of too much water, but because we forgot where it wants to go. These buried channels didn't just disappear, they were repurposed as sewers, drains, industrial dumping grounds. Fresh water, once full of life, now feeds a system where nothing survives. A silent ecological collapse happening underground.
Flash floods overwhelm New York City streets. Climate maps show intensifying rainfall patterns. Extreme rainfall warnings are now in effect.
As storms intensify, the old streams remember their paths, even if the city doesn't. Across the city, a quiet movement is underway, daylighting, letting buried water see the sun again. These wetlands don't fight water, they welcome it and protect the city in return. These small interventions cool neighborhoods, filter pollution, and remind us that nature is the best engineer we've ever had. When water returns, life follows. Oysters don't just filter water, they rebuild coastlines, one shell at a time. In a warming city, these corridors become lifelines for ecosystems and people alike. Imagine a city where water isn't hidden, but honored as infrastructure.
This is so peaceful.
The restoration is lovely.
Look, a fish!
It's beautiful.
Access to living water heals more than ecosystems. It restores mental health, community, and belonging. What history flows beneath your feet? And what future are you willing to uncover?